Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add AI camera zoom to your videos in CapCut. So to do that, it's pretty simple. Just open up your CapCut project, then tap on the video where you would like to apply this AI camera zoom option. Then this long menu is going to appear on the bottom of the screen where you have to tap on camera tracking, then select AI movement, which is on the left side of the screen, and the zoom is going to be the second option. Then you just have to tap on it and wait for a few seconds until it applies it to your video. And then this is the result, as you can see. Obviously, you can adjust the details by tapping on the video again, and you can adjust the scale of the zoom right here. And yeah, that's pretty much how you can use it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider sending a super thanks donation. Bye bye.